triple clamp is on. Tried to install the Scott's damper, but didn't really manage, so I'm gonna skip that for now. And the damper is on also, so I'm gonna replace this. Don't know what's called, but this hose connector for the cooling system. A new one of these and a new one of this. The work going along quite well. The hose connector here is mounted. It's time for the fork legs from Main Racing. That's gonna be sweet. Brand new plastics. Brand new plastics. Starting to look like a bike again. New fork leg protectors, KTM steering damper, new airbox plastic, new set of tires, new front brake disc, and a couple of course new sprockets also, and overall pretty happy this far. The electric system is working, up and running, starting to assemble the cooling system. The work is going fairly well. No fuck-ups this far, as I know of. The new engine is turning over well. No weird sounds. Looking good. Chain is on, exhaust on, exhaust cleaned, got really nice. Completely different color than before. Looks good, fresh. sprockets, cooling system, front brake, bled, installed, serviced, Clake, one clutch serviced, bled works. Yeah. Alright, so we are ready to make the first start attempt here. I never ran this engine before, or with this carburetor, so they're both new to me. 100 hours to it, approximately. There's oil in it, there's coolant in it, and there is some gas into the carburetor. So let's see. Don't have killer switch just now, but perfect. Första starten. First start.